morning. Thank you for calling Tita Venus Restaurant. Catherine speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Okay, sir. A table for how many, sir?
A table for four, please.
Okay, sir. May I know your name, please?
My name is April.
Okay, sir. May I ask if I spelled your name correctly? April as in A for Alpha, P for Papa, R for Romeo, I for India, L for Lima, Nunez as in N for November, U for Uniform, N for November, E for Echo, Z for Zolo. Am I right, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. May I know when and what time?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Okay, sir. Kindly wait for a while. I'll just check if we still have an available table on your preferred date and time.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, sir. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table on your preferred date and time. May I ask, what is your preferred area, sir? Smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Okay, sir. Do you have still requests or concern that you want us to consider?
No more.
Okay, sir. By the way, may I know your contact number, please?
Sure, it's 0955-934-1079.
Okay, Mr. April, let me repeat the details of your table reservation. A table for 4 tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the name of Mr. April Nunez and preferred a non-smoking area. In your telephone number is 0955-934-1079. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Anything else, sir?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling. We will expect you tomorrow in the morning and have a great day.